Have you ever stood in your kitchen, staring at a pile of ingredients, and thought, do I really have the right blender or food processor to handle all this? Maybe your old blender can't crush ice, your food processor stalls when chopping veggies, or you just wish you had one machine that could do it all. Well, today I've got you covered. I'm breaking down 8 of the best blenders and food processor combos that make smoothies silkier, soups creamier, and chopping way easier. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your kitchen and lifestyle best. Number 1. Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo, Foodie Power Blender System. Let's start with a powerhouse. If you've ever had a blender stall halfway through crushing frozen fruit or ice, you know how frustrating that is. The Ninja Foodie Power Blender System solves this with its 1,600 peak watt motor and smart torque, which means it never stalls, no matter what you throw inside. What I love about this one is the versatility. You can make smoothie bowls with thick frozen fruit, creamy nut butters, or even slice and shred veggies with its processing discs. The XL Smoothie Bowl Maker is perfect for people who love thicker blends, and it even comes with nutrient extraction cups for on-the-go drinks. It's basically like having a blender, food processor, and smoothie maker all in one. And with over 3,500 happy reviews, it's already proven to be a kitchen game changer. Would you use this more for smoothies or for meal prep? Drop your answer in the comments. Number 2. Astral Ship. Glass blender with heating and auto clean. Now, maybe you're the type who doesn't just want smoothies, you want soups, sauces, even hot drinks straight from your blender. That's where the Astral Ship glass blender shines. Unlike most blenders, this one has a built-in heating function. Imagine tossing in fresh tomatoes and spices, and within minutes, you've got hot steamy tomato soup ready to serve. Or making nut milk that stays warm until the kids get home. It has 14 smart presets, so even if you're not a pro in the kitchen, it practically cooks for you. And cleaning, one-button auto-clean with steam. That's a lifesaver. Compared to the Ninja, which focuses more on raw power and food processing, this one brings the comfort food factor to the table. Number 3. Oster Pro 1200. Blender with glass jar. Now let's talk about reliability. The Oster Pro 1200 has been a go-to for years, and it's easy to see why. It's got a Bora-class glass jar that's dishwasher safe and thermal shock resistant, so no worrying about hot liquids cracking the jar. Its dual direction blade spins both ways, making sure ingredients don't get stuck, and it has 7 speeds plus 3 pre-programmed settings. That's smoothies, shakes, and salsa at the push of a button. If you want a solid, long-lasting blender that won't let you down, this one's a safe bet. Over 20,000 reviews back that up. Do you prefer glass jars or plastic jars for blenders? Let me know below. Number 4. Materol 14-cup food processor. Alright, smoothie fans, hold on, because this one is more for the meal preppers. If chopping onions makes you cry, or shredding cheese feels like an arm workout, the Materol 14-cup food processor is here to rescue you. It has an extra large feed chute, so you can toss in whole vegetables without endless slicing first. With its 14-cup capacity, it's perfect if you cook for big families or batch prep meals for the week. It handles chopping, shredding, slicing, dough kneading. Where the Ninja tries to do both blending and processing, this one is more of a dedicated kitchen workhorse for food prep. Number 5. Oster Blender and Food Processor Combo, Texture Select. Back to combos, the Oster Combo with Texture Select is all about control. Ever made a smoothie that's too watery? Or a salsa that's way too chunky? With its Texture Select settings, you can choose thin, medium, or thick. It also has a powerful 1200-watt motor and a 5-cup food processor bowl included. That means one machine handles both your blending and your chopping. Think of it like the middle ground between the Ninja's all-in-one system and the Oster Pro's reliability. Great if you want more control over consistency. So, which one of these kitchen powerhouses would you choose? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your picks. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more kitchen must-haves every week.